Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to bring your Figma designs to life on your Shopify store? Here's a quick and easy way to do it. First of all, open your design in Figma. Click on the frame or component you want to use. Then go to File, then Export, and choose PNG, JPG, or SVG format. Now log into your Shopify admin panel, go to Content, then Files, and upload the exported image from Figma. To apply your design, go to Online Store, Themes, Customize, add a new section, and upload your Figma images to your homepage, product pages, or banners. For advanced layouts, copy the HTML or CSS from Figma's Inspect panel and paste it into your Shopify themes code under Edit Code, then Sections. Click Save and Publish. And that's it. Your Figma design is now live on Shopify. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.